What's up, guys? Derek with Divine AV here, and we have a cool one, a rock and roll shootout for you with the Klipsch 404 versus the 504 versus the RC-64. We've gotten some requests to do some more comparison videos, so here you go. It's coming at you. Keep in mind right now we're running a special. If you purchase a 404 with us, you get $75 free Divine AV gift card that is going to allow you access to anything that we sell, any products, anything like that. So $75 if you purchase a 404. $100 if you purchase the 504, and we're going to give you a $150 gift card if you purchase the RC-64. Please leave us a like, smash that subscribe button, and let's get right into this comparison. I'm going to hand you on over to Warren.
Hey guys, Warren with Divine AV. Let's get right into this center channel comparison right now. Alright, so we've got three fantastic speakers here. We've got the RP-404c, the RP-504c, and of course the big dog, the big mamma jamma, the RC-64 third generation. Fantastic unit. Okay, this is pretty much a normal price range speaker setup here. So we're going to talk about these first, and then we'll get into this guy in just a second. Okay, so the 404. It's got four 4-inch drivers. These are cerametallic drivers. It's like a ceramic and copper mixture. It's proprietary to Klipsch, and it's super lightweight. And so it's rigid and lightweight, so it allows, you don't really have to overpower this speaker to get a ton of SPL out of it. So something to consider if you're looking at different speaker brands. That material is fantastic. All right, so new for 2019 on these units, 2020, we have the 1-inch vented tweeter design. It's an LTS vented tweeter, aluminum design. It goes back into the cabinet. Fantastic clarity. It's some of the best clarity of any speaker out there, I guarantee it. So this tweeter design is through the full reference Premier lineup, and it's just superior to the previous generation. So when you look at the 440c and the 540c, the older generation, you may actually want to consider an upgrade. If you were to compare these two, you'll see a huge improvement over the old generation and the new generation here. All right, so let's move on to the next one here. So you've got the 5.25-inch drivers on the 504c, so you can get more low-end frequency response, more mid-range frequency response. It's a significantly better speaker in my opinion, and it's not that much difference in price. So you may want to consider bumping up to that guy if you have the space and if you're okay with the aesthetics of a larger style speaker like that. You still get the vented LTS tweeter and the Tractrix horn. This is a Tractrix horn. Using a Tractrix horn throughout the Klipsch lineup, that basically allows sound to leave the horn with less distortion than a standard speaker, like just a standard tweeter design. So the horn plays a massive part in the clarity of the high-end frequency response. So something to consider if you're looking between other brands as well. Really nice finishes. This comes in an ebony and it comes in a walnut finish. Both really nice. Most people go for the ebony. It's pretty standard. They do have magnetic clip-on grills. Both awesome speakers. All right, so this comes in at 125 watts RMS power handling, and this unit is 150 watts RMS power handling. This one weighs 28 pounds, this is 34 pounds, and now let's get into the big dog. All right, so this unit here is the RC-64 third generation. This is hand-built in Hope, Arkansas, so it's an American-made product, or at least an American-assembled product. It has a nicer wood veneer finish than the other models. It's an actual wood grain to it. So beautiful, beautiful product. And there's something very different about this. So it has this compression driver instead of a tweeter. A compression driver is found in most commercial style speakers with big commercial horns. So if you go to a rock and roll concert or something, or you go to a real movie theater, you'll always find a compression driver in those high fidelity units. So you got 6.5-inch cerametallic drivers here. Once again, just superior material, I think, to many other materials on the market. Super lightweight. Now this is a 200 watt RMS speaker. So today we're going to be powering with 140 watts. It will be a bit underpowered for our demo, so you may feel like the 504 has a little bit more bass, which it does at this lower power level. As soon as you get up into the 200, 300 watt using separates like a preamp and an amplifier, you're going to see this thing shine like crazy. And we'll do another comparison once we get the remodel done in the other room, so you can really see the true potential of this unit. This beast can do 800 watts peak, so just an absolute animal. A few more special things about it. It is a sealed enclosure design, so it's not ported like these other two are. These are rear ported units. They're also up against the wall, so it's going to create some more bass in this room. But so this is actually a sealed design, and it's a chamber design. So basically, you have this half and this half are separate from each other, so these drivers don't interfere with those drivers. So really nice, and it creates a lot less distortion and less pressure buildup in the cabinet itself. So awesome. I think you'll really notice, even at these lower power levels, we're using a Yamaha 2080 at 140 watts a channel. At these lower power levels, you'll still notice a huge increase in clarity from this compression driver. So look into that. $1,500 price point. This is $689 retail. It's on sale right now on the 5s, and this is like $5 something retail. It's on sale on the 4s right now. So that's going to kind of fluctuate depending on the time of the year. So check with us for best pricing, and we'll help you out. All right, guys, let's get into the demos.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. No one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite. Can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, a fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get right into our final thoughts on these guys. Me personally, I mean, obviously it's a no-brainer. I would go with the RC-64, but I mean, honestly, if it's not in the budget, I would be looking at the 504, because I wouldn't want to put this RC-64 in my house unless I had the money to get an external amplifier to power this guy. But yeah, if you do have the money, the wood grain finish of this thing, it is a freaking piece of art. It is beautiful. But yeah, I'll go ahead and hand over to Warren and see what he thinks.
Yeah, man, like you said, that's just, that beautiful finish is what attracts me to that. This thing is at about a $1,500 price point though, so it's a little bit steep for some systems. And you also would want to make sure that you have at least like a Klipsch RP-504c to pair with it. It'd be better to pair the RF-7 III, obviously. But you get into a super high-end system with all separate amplifier and separate preamp, that sort of thing. So, you know, if I personally had to choose one, you know, just based on budget and everything, I would go for the 504c. I just think it's one of the best speakers on the market for your money. You know, it's pretty hard to beat it as we've seen throughout the market. And those are you know, $689 retail for the 504c. It's been on sale in the 500s, and the 404 has been on sale in the 400s. So all fantastic speakers, some of the best speakers out there, in my opinion. So.
Yeah, we really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Remember, when we're talking giving you that gift card, we will be matching the best authorized price online. So we'll match that, and then you'll also get that gift card on top if you guys want to purchase any of these products from us. Remember, $75 for the 404, we'll give you $100 for the 504, and $150 for the RC-64. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Give us a like, smash the subscribe button, check out the rest of our channel, and we will see you on the next one. Rock on.
Take it easy, guys.